Good morning, students. Hope you are doing good. Now, today we are starting our fifth unit that is going to come in your first midterm, energy management. In that, that is energy management and audit. Sure. Energy management and audit. फाइन व्हाट इज अब यहाँ से हम बेसिक ऑडिट का इंट्रोडक्शन स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं. फाइन. I am not lazy. I am on energy saving mode. What is the proverbs of this? Sometimes sleep mode और इस तरह से हम कंप्यूटर में भी यूज करते हैं. इधर हम ऑडिटिंग की बात जब करेंगे तो एनर्जी कंजर्वेशन अगेन विल कम. So that is not going to be a kind of laziness. That is a saving. So what is energy, my dear student? The energy is a capacity of a physical system. Yes, one thing I want to inform you. आंचल, नीरज, शिवांगी, सिद्धार्थ, तन्मय, वंदना. नेक्स्ट वेनेसडे अपन तुम्हारे एक तो क्लास रहेगी 10 to 11 या जो भी टाइमिंग मैं बता दूंगी. एंड आफ्टर दैट प्रोजेक्ट का प्रेजेंटेशन रहेगा. वेनेसडे मीन्स आई सपोज इट इज अ 5th. ठीक है. इट इज नॉट योर फाइनल एक्सटर्नल वाइवा. बी रिलैक्स. जस्ट शो योर प्रेजेंटेशन. कितना काम कर चुके हो, क्या दिक्कत आ रही है, क्या नहीं आ रही है. तन्मय, तुम अश्विनी के बीच में हो क्या? आर यू देयर तन्मय? यस तन्मय, आर यू, माय वॉइस इज ऑडिबल टू यू?
Yes, ma'am, it's audible.
बोलो बेटा.
Yes, ma'am, it's
अश्विनी
audible.
के बैच में हो शायद तुम, तो प्लीज इन्फॉर्म अश्विनी बैच. मैंने उन लोगों को मैसेज भी किया, दे आर नॉट रिस्पॉन्डिंग.
I'll inform them.
तुम्हारी आवाज नहीं आ रही है. यस बेटा. बैच वाइज ही होगा जिस सीक्वेंस में. Okay, let me start our theory part. Now, energy is the capacity of physical system to perform work. Energy exists in the several forms like heat, kinetic, mechanical, electrical, potential, and other forms. According to the law of conservation of energy, total energy जो systems की रहती है, it is going to remain constant throughout. It can only transform from one form to another. ये चीज मैंने तुम्हें एनर्जी कंजर्वेशन के टाइम भी बताई थी. Energy can neither be destroyed nor created. We can only transform energy from one form to the another. Like two billiard balls colliding may come to the rest with the resulting energy converting to the sound and perhaps a little bit of heat at the point of collision. ठीक है. टाइप्स की बात हम करते हैं. मैकेनिकल एनर्जी क्या करेगी? That is going to be results from movement or the location of an object, and it is a sum of kinetic or potential energy. Another form of energy, this I just recommend you to note it down the type. Like mechanical energy, thermal में क्या होगा? Heat energy reflects the temperature difference between the two systems. Nuclear is the energy resulting from changes in the atomic nuclei or from the nucleus. Chemical energy is going to result from the chemical reactions between the atoms or molecules. There are different types of chemical energy like electrochemical energy and all. ठीक है, उसके बाद आती है तुम्हारी इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक एनर्जी, दैट इज एनर्जी फ्रॉम लाइट और इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक वेव्स. ठीक है, that is mechanical, thermal, nuclear, chemical, electromagnetic. All this energy, what they are doing, they are converting their state from one stage to the another. ठीक है, एनर्जी मैनेजमेंट फाइनली क्या है, स्ट्रेटजी, ये मैंने कल भी तुम्हें बताया था, स्ट्रेटजी of adjusting and optimizing energy using the system and the procedure so as to reduce the energy requirements per unit of the output while holding constant or reducing the total cost of producing the output from these state system. ठीक है, this is the energy management system. How used to be act? Energy management for energy, that is going to be act, then plan, then do, then check. मतलब सबसे पहले whatever management we are supposed to implement, we need to act upon that, then plan it, then do it, then rechecking. At the managerial part, what we need to plan is policy, goals, targets, resources. What you need to do is a training, communication, control equipment, systems, and the processes. You need to check the correctiveness, preventive action, internal audits, etc. X में you need to be management review side. Technically, what you need to do is the plan, energy data management, assessments, energy purchasing, design, projects, verification. You need to check the monitoring, measurements. You need to act the system performance. Take the screenshot. No need to write down or make it. That is not very important. But yes, what you need to be, whatever plan we are doing, we need to act according to that. Follow it, do it, recheck. That is the thing. Plan, do, check, act. मतलब प्लान को एक्शन में इम्प्लीमेंट करने के बाद whatever preventive or correctiveness is there, that you need to check, and then according to that you need to act. ठीक है, now comes objective of energy management. This definitely I will suggest you to write down. I will give you sufficient time also. क्या ऑब्जेक्टिव है एनर्जी मैनेजमेंट का, क्योंकि एनर्जी ऑडिट इज नथिंग बट अ काइंड ऑफ एनर्जी मैनेजमेंट, एनर्जी सेविंग, एनर्जी कंजर्वेशन. फाइन, so write down please. To achieve and maintain the optimum energy procurement and utilization throughout the organization. Second, minimize the energy cost waste without affecting the production and quality. The third is to minimize the environmental effect. ठीक है, लिखो जल्दी. आंचल, कृष्ण गोपाल, मनदीप, मोहित, नीरज, शिवांगिनी, सिद्धार्थ, तन्मय, वंदना. ठीक है, चलिए लिखो. Completed beta? I will inform them. Yes, you need to inform and prepare your presentation also. You are also in their batch. Okay, लिख लिया बेटा ऑब्जेक्टिव. आई थिंक सफिशिएंट टाइम आई हैव गिवन यू. फिर ये चीज मैंने जो कल समझाई थी कि व्हाट आर द these are my objective of energy management, which clarified what, how much energy is consumed, how is energy consumed, where is energy consumed, when is energy consumed, and what is the quality of energy consumed. In order to manage this, audit is necessary to conduct. Finally comes the definition of energy audit. As per the Energy Conservation Act 2001, energy audit is defined as was verification, monitoring, analyze the use of energy, including submission of technical report containing the recommendation for improving energy efficiency with the cost benefit analysis and an action plan to reduce the energy consumption. ये मैंने कल तुम्हें लिखवाई भी थी और बोला भी था. So basically क्या है ऑडिट? एनर्जी कंजर्वेशन 2000 एक्ट के अकॉर्डिंग whatever monitoring, verification, analysis we are doing for saving the energy, for that whatever technique we are using for cost benefit analysis and an action plan that is going to reduce the energy consumption. Okay, why there is a need of energy audit? ये भी मैंने कल एक्सप्लेन किया था कि टॉप 3 ऑपरेटिंग एक्सपेंसेस जो रहते हैं दैट इज एनर्जी, लेबर एंड मटेरियल. So energy would emerge top rankers for the cost reduction. Primary objective जो energy audit का रहता है that is to determine ways to reduce energy consumption per unit of product output or to the lower operating cost. So energy audit जो है main point यही है, it provide a benchmark managing the energy in the organization. मतलब certain benchmarks हम decide कर देते हैं, कुछ references point. This is a limit. Beyond that, energy should not get consumed. If get consumed, certain fine is going to be there. So that is the benchmark or referencing point with reference to that. Now comes the real part. This the types of energy audit: primarily, targeted, and detailed. First one, ये तीनों मैंने कल लिखवा दिए थे तुम्हें नाम. Now we are starting with primary energy audit. I told you we'll explain this in detail. क्या होता है प्राइमरी एनर्जी ऑडिट? एनर्जी ऑडिट तो समझ में आ गया. एनर्जी ऑडिट इज अ सर्टेन रूल्स विच आर सपोज टू फॉर्म एज अ बेंचमार्क सिस्टम टू कंजर्व अवर energy or managing the energy in the organization. As far as primary energy audit is concerned, it uses the existing or easily obtained data. It establishes the energy consumption in organization, estimate the scope for saving, identifies the most likely area for attention, identifies the immediate improvements, set a reference point, identifies area for more detailed study and measurement. I just suggest you sometime this difference between 3 used to be asked. So write down this. कुछ कुछ चीजें नहीं मिलती है. तो PEA क्या करेगा तुम्हारा? प्राइमरी एनर्जी ऑडिट existing और easily obtained data को यूज करता है. Establishes the energy consumption in organization. It estimates the scope for saving. Identifies the most likely area for attention. Identifies the immediate improvements. It sets certain reference point which identify the area for more detail in study. I'm giving you 2 minutes. Please write down fast.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, Achal. Now second is a targeted energy audit. क्या डिफरेंस रहेगा? प्राइमरी एनर्जी ऑडिट क्या करती हैं, अपने कुछ रेफरेंस पॉइंट्स ऐड करते हैं एंड आइडेंटिफाइज द एरिया फॉर डिटेल स्टडी एंड मेजरमेंट. ठीक है. टारगेटेड एनर्जी ऑडिट की हम बात करते हैं तो मोस्टली बेस्ड अपॉन द आउटकम ऑफ प्राइमरी ऑडिट. दैट इज व्हाई आई टोल्ड यू टू राइट डाउन वट एवर इज द रिजल्ट ऑफ प्राइमरी एनर्जी ऑडिट, उसके जो रिजल्ट्स आएंगे उस पर ये वर्क ऑन करती है. So write down this first point. This is mostly based upon the outcome of the PA results. They provide data and detailed analysis on a specific target project. What used to be there? Primarily energy audit, whatever reference point it is setting, whether the energy conservation or the saving is following that or not, depending on that result, they set their target. That is why it is sound as targeted energy audit. They provide data and detailed analysis on the specific target project. Like an example, organization may target its lighting system, boiler system, compressed air systems, like that. Targeted audit therefore involve detailed survey of the target subjects areas with analysis of the energy flow. ठीक है? That is going to be there. I just supposed you to write down first line and the last line. That is going to be important. That the result of primarily based पे target काम करता है. And second point is also important. They provide the data and detail analysis on specified target projects. Okay? And targeted audit therefore involves detailed survey of the target subjects. हो गया? चल ठीक है. Now third is a detailed energy audit. What evaluates this? All systems and equipment which consume energy, and the audit comprises a detailed study on the energy saving cost. Like detailed energy audit क्या करती है? 3 phases में काम करती है. That is pre-audit phase, audit phase and post-audit phase. Means after the preliminary and targeted energy audit. Targeted energy audit क्या कर रही है? After getting the data from primary, it is setting certain targets, detail analysis for the specified targets. ठीक है. उसके बाद जो है डिटेल एनर्जी ऑडिट क्या करेगा? प्री ऑडिट फेज एंड पोस्ट ऑडिट फेज, ये 3 फेजेस में जितने भी सिस्टम्स है उनको एवेल्युएट करता है. एन इक्विपमेंट दैट इज गोइंग टू कंज्यूम द एनर्जी. एन ऑडिट कंप्राइजेस अ डिटेल्ड स्टडी ऑन एनर्जी सेविंग एंड कॉस्ट. लिख लो ये तीनों नाम. ठीक है, हो गया बेटा?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So as far as these three types of audit concerned, preliminary, target and detail, these are the detailing description. Now the 10 steps for detail audit. जैसे हम कह रहे हैं प्री ऑडिट होती है, फिर ऑडिट होती है, फिर पोस्ट ऑडिट। प्री ऑडिट मीन्स प्री प्रिपरेशन फॉर द ऑडिट, देन जो फाइनल ऑडिट फेज रहता है वो ऑडिट होने के बाद जो कंक्लूजन हम निकालते हैं दैट इज अ पोस्ट ऑडिट। ठीक है। नाउ 10 स्टेप्स प्लान ऑफ एक्शन रहता है डिटेल ऑडिट का। इसमें प्लान ऑफ एक्शन है, फेज 1 से लेके तीनों फेजेस हैं इसमें। ये तुम अभी लिख नहीं पाओगे, आई जस्ट सजेस्ट यू टू टेक द स्क्रीनशॉट। ठीक है। स्टेप 1 फेज 1 की हम बात करते हैं। इसी तरह से अगर तुम्हें आता है व्हाट आर द 10 स्टेप ऑफ डिटेल ऑडिट फेज, सो एक्सप्लेन इट। सो व्हाट यू नीड टू डू इज प्लान ऑफ एक्शन लिखना है, इधर पर्पस एंड रिजल्ट। प्लान क्या रहता है प्री ऑडिट फेज का? प्लान एंड ऑर्गेनाइज, वॉक थ्रू द ऑडिट, इनफॉर्मल इंटरव्यू विद एनर्जी मैनेजर, प्रोडक्शन, प्लांट मैनेजर एंड पर्पस क्या है इसका? रिसोर्स प्लानिंग, establish or organize the energy audit team, organize the instruments and the time frame, that is first hand observation and assessment of the current level operation and practice, macro data collection, that is the main purpose of these. Second हमारा जो इसका स्टेप है conduct of brief meeting, awareness program with all divisional heads and the persons concerned. So that is there for building up cooperation, issue questionnaires for each department, orientation, awareness creation. ठीक है। सबसे पहले तो प्लान और ऑर्गेनाइज करना, फिर ब्रीफ मीटिंग कंडक्ट करना 2-3 आवर्स की, कि व्हाट आर आवर एजेंडाज एंड टारगेट टू फॉलो इन अ प्री ऑडिट, एंड देन ऑल डिविजनल हेड्स एंड पर्सन्स को कंसर्न में रख के एक मीटिंग लेना। मीटिंग क्यों लेना? सो दैट द क्वेश्चनियर जो हम इशू करने वाले हैं उसकी एक अवेयरनेस और ओरिएंटेशन। इज इट क्लियर? टेक द स्क्रीनशॉट। ठीक है। एक्शन ऑफ प्लान जो है उसकी 2 ही स्टेप है प्री ऑडिट में, 1 and 2। सेकेंड फेज जो ऑडिट फेज का है उसमें प्राइमरीली जो डेटा गैदरिंग है, प्रोसेस फ्लो डायग्राम है, एनर्जी यूटिलिटी डायग्राम है, that is going to be there, and conduct the survey and monitor. So what is the data gathering process, data flow? इसमें historic data analysis, baseline data collection is going to be there. Prepare the process flow charts, all service utilization system diagram, like single line power distribution, design and operating data schedule of the operation, annual energy bill, that is going to be there in your primary data gathering. Process flow diagram, energy utility diagrams, और फिर हम कंडक्ट करते हैं सर्वे एंड मॉनिटर। ये हमारे ऑडिट फेज में रहता है। सर्वे और मॉनिटरिंग से क्या होता है? इट इज अ काइंड ऑफ measurements of what? Motor survey, insulation, lighting survey with a portable instruments for collection of more and accurate data. It confirms and compare the operating data with the design data. ठीक है। Is it clear? So this is step 3 and 4 involves in audit phase. Then step 5 is conduct the detailed trials, experiment selected energy results, analysis of energy use, identification and development of energy conservation opportunities, ENCON. Identification and development का एनर्जी कंजर्वेशन अपॉर्चुनिटीज का। अब इसमें ट्रायल और एक्सपेरिमेंट 24 आवर्स होते हैं फॉर पावर मॉनिटरिंग लाइक MD, PF, पावर फैक्टर्स। ठीक है। इस तरह का एनर्जी ऑडिट जो है ये जैसे RSWM है, तुम्हारा संगम है, डेनिम प्लांट्स है, इनमें 24 आवर्स ये मॉनिटरिंग होती है कि पावर फैक्टर वेरी तो नहीं हो रहा है, से कितना रहना चाहिए, कि वॉट पावर कितनी वेरी हो रही है, All the shift engineers and junior engineers used to monitor that and to maintain that. And with reference to the supply given boilers, जैसे कहते हैं what is the need of mechanical engineer in the textile industry? Whatever boiler condition is there, that a mechanical engineer can better understand than other engineer. The furnace efficiency trial, equipment's performance, energy and material balance, identification and consolidation of INCON measures, conceive, develop and refine ideas, review the previous ideas suggested by the energy, use the brainstorming and the value analysis, contact the vendor for new efficient technology, cost benefit analysis की बात करते हैं तो assess the technical feasibility, economic viability and prioritizations, reporting and presentation to the top management. ये वाली जो steps है ये यहाँ लिखा नहीं है but ये post audit है. Cost benefit analysis and reporting and presentation to the top management. That is documentation work, report presentation to the top management and all. जल्दी इसका screenshot ले लो. सब्जेक्ट तो थियोरेटिकल है लेकिन इसका वास्ट कितना वाइडर है ये तुम लोगों को होना बहुत जरूरी है.
Done, ma'am.
बेटा phase 3 is implementation and follow-up. That is a post-audit phase is going to be there. That is the 10th step. Assist and implementation of INCON, recommendation, measures and monitor the performance. Action plan, schedule for implementation, follow-up and periodic review. That is going to be there. Okay. ले लो इसका स्क्रीनशॉट. अभी तक अपन ने एनर्जी ऑडिट में why energy audit important, what are the three types, primarily, targeted and detailed audit, right? Then 10 steps to follow for the pre, post and audit phase that we completed. Now question which used to be there by energy auditor that should be asked जब भी एनर्जी ऑडिट के लिए आते हैं ये लोग आरएससीबी या जहां से भी, what function does the system serve, how does the system serve its function, what is the energy consumption, what is the identification that the system is working properly, is the system is not working, how can be restored to good working condition. No need to write, just understand. This question could be asked by an auditor. How can the energy cost of this system is reduced? Okay. Detailed energy audit for a typical industrial format is used to be like this. Like उसमें energy audit team रहती है, the person's name which used to follow, then scope and purpose, then recommendation and option, like introduction about the plant, general plant details, component of production cost, major energy usage, production process description, then energy and utility system description, like brief description of each utility like electricity, steam, water, compressed air, chilled water, cooling water, इस तरह से डिटेल पर्पस. These are the common things like energy efficiency in utility and process system, conservation option and recommendation, annexures that used to be there. ठीक है. These are the all energy audit requires many measurements. Some common instruments are used to be there. Actually, these are the instrument which they used to take the value and readings. How much it is coming or not. ये इस तरह के कुछ instrument ये रहते हैं, कुछ इस तरह से रहते हैं. Just for your awareness, I am showing some more energy audit instruments. ठीक है. Identification of energy conservation factors and the ideas. Steps for conserving energy can be taken if we know the correct factors and the ideas to be studied, like energy generation, energy distribution, energy usage by process, fuel substitution. This could be there. टेक्निकल और इकोनॉमिकल फिजिबिलिटी और फैक्टर्स की बात अगर हम करें तो उसमें जो पॉइंट्स आते हैं, दैट इज इन्वेस्टमेंट, annual operating cost and annual saving. As far as investment is concerned, in that equipment, civil work, instrumentations, auxiliaries, ये सारी चीजें आती है. Whereas in annual operating cost में cost of capital, maintenance, manpower, energy and depreciations ये आते हैं. Annual saving की हम बात करें तो thermal energy, electrical energy, raw material, waste disposal, that used to be there. Basically, technology availability, space, skilled manpower, reliability, impact of measure on safety, quality, production. These are all the maintenance of the requirements and the spare availability. ठीक है. This is a common one. What is a benchmarking? Benchmarking is another important point. This is the last topic which we are discussing. Then we'll end. Okay. So, before finishing this, first give your attendance. कई बार भूल जाती हूँ मैं. अच्छा अपन ने ले ली ना अटेंडेंस तो. I have taken your attendance, I suppose. Yes or no? आंचल ले ली ना मैंने अटेंडेंस शायद. हाँ
No, ma'am.
नहीं ली है. ठीक है. आंचल.
Yes, ma'am.
विष्णु गोपाल.
Yes, ma'am.
मनदीप. मोहित.
Mandeep present, ma'am.
ए मोहित. नीरज. शिवांगी.
Present, ma'am.
सिद्धार्थ.
Present, ma'am.
Present, ma'am.
तन्मय. वंदना. ओके मोहित.
Vandana present.
चलो बेंचमार्क से नेक्स्ट मंडे करेंगे अपन. ओके सिद्धार्थ बेटा. ठीक है. ओके. बेंचमार्क से मेरे को रिमाइंड कराना. यहाँ से अपने को नेक्स्ट क्लास में. मैं तुम्हारी एक और क्लास कल तो नहीं परसों शायद लूंगी. सो आई विल इन्फॉर्म यू. नेक्स्ट वीक 1 या 2 दिन आई नीड टू गो. सो लेट्स सी. ठीक है. कल तो नहीं परसों थोड़ा प्रिपेयर रहना क्लास के लिए. ठीक है.